Old word for our mission. Mission 2028. Here we will achieve 100 million of sales revenue. And this would happen coincide with company on company's 60th anniversary. The company was started in 1968 and this would happen in 2028. So on the 60th anniversary of the company, we would become a $100 million US company. We have also taken into account the value of the dollar as it would be. So Indian terms, we would be 900 crore. Now let me just, next please. Yeah, like to pay tribute to our founder, Sri Ram Ratan Gupta, and tell you a little bit about the history of the company, which is what it is about telling you about my father. Next. No, we can go back. Actually, my father was a second generation in business with coal mine industry in central India. So my grandfather started coal mining business and my father took it over from him. And this is where he was using monopumps. This type of pump used to be known as monopump because it was produced by a British company which had a right over India being a part of Commonwealth. So it was known as monopump. Now we call it progressive pellet pump. So my father was using a lot of monopumps in his mines. And he was feeling the problem of continuing to operate these pumps because these pumps came from England and all the spares, everything came from England. And it was so costly. But there was very heavy restriction of the import of the pumps or parts. And then during that time, there was a Trump tariff. Trump tariff was to the extent of 150%. So that made things very, very difficult my father to continue to stay. So he thought of why don't we or I, it was more of I than we because everybody else was involved in the mining business. He said, why don't I engineer a pump to do it here? Now that was a very challenging and a very daunting task because nobody in the world knew how to manufacture the main component of this pump, which you must have seen, rotor. We can show you later on. So then when he set himself this challenging job of producing this rotor, which is the only part. Other parts are quite common and can be done by anybody else, but it was the rotor. So he relentless methodology how to manufacture this rotor by him. You know, me and my brother who joined him when the company company came into the being in 1968, but he did all this on his own without any